Hi everyone, my name is Hela and I welcome you to this new series, API Testing using Postman. We probably use APIs every single day and don't even know about it. In this digitally connected world, APIs are the glue that keep all parts in place. Postman is a tool used by over 5 million software professionals around the world to document, test, and interact with API. This series will take you from very basics of API and making simple requests to all the way to mocking an API and integrate it using Jenkins. By the end of this series, you will have a good idea of how to use Postman for API testing. To get most out of this series, please make sure that whatever I'm showing you in the videos, you are trying it on your own too. I will also be adding few assignments after every few videos, and I will highly recommend to complete these assignments as this will help you practice whatever we have learned. At the end, I will also cover some common API interview questions to equip you for your upcoming interview. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn all about API testing. See you in the next video.